Hello and welcome to video number 9, and this is going to be pin automation. Just want to say congrats on reaching the end of this video course. So this is sort of a bonus video that is going to make your pinning much easier. Pinning lots of high quality images is crucial, and you really want to be consistent and you want to schedule it ahead of time. That way you can schedule weeks in advance, and then you can focus on the long term as much as possible. And by doing that and by being consistent, that will actually help you get a good amount of traffic if you followed this formula. So obviously you can't be near a computer 24/7 either. So really finding a tool that can help you automate this process as much as possible is important. So let's discuss some tools that will help you with this process. So there are tons and tons of different tools out there that you can use, that you can pay for. But over the years, one tool in particular that we have seen really sustain the test of time and really update their features and all of that is viraltag.com. So as you can see, it says the #1 social media marketing tool for sharing visuals. So it's not just for Pinterest, it's for other social media platforms as well. But in terms of utilizing this with Pinterest, it's actually very, very good. So you can schedule unlimited posts so they don't charge you per post. You can recycle evergreen content, you can collaborate with your team, and best of all, you can analyze what is actually happening. We found that there's some tools out there that will post stuff, but you have no idea on earth what in the world is actually working and what in the world is actually happening. So as you can see here, you can schedule your content ahead of time. So you can put the image, you can put hashtags, which is something else that we highly recommend that you do. And then of course you can put the URL where you want to send them to. So as you can see here, you can upload, you can edit, you can schedule posts in bulk. So you don't have to do it one by one. And there's a lot of other things. You can do content curation, which is a little bit different than what we're talking about, but those are more advanced strategies. But based on what we're talking about in this course, this is essentially one of the better tools that we have found over the years. So rather than having to scour the internet and look for the tool that is best, we can definitely say this one right here is the way to go. Now, it does cost money. As you can see here, there's an individual count. You really only need the individual count. And the small business is a little bit more money, and then the branding is a lot more money. Now, as you can see, you definitely don't need the small business or the brand. The individual is just enough to have. And one suggestion that I have to you is that don't even get access to ViralTag at all until you have actually begun to get into the habit of doing it yourself. Once you've done it yourself and once you become overwhelmed and you need to take it to the next level, that's when you can use ViralTag. So that's a tool that we highly recommend that has worked really well. And we hope you enjoyed this course, and make sure that you take the knowledge that you've learned and apply it. And remember, if you keep it simple and keep your funnel congruent from your image to your content and so forth, and follow the blueprint step by step and be consistent at it, you will begin to see some traffic.